Hello friends, we are at the Greater Midwest RV Show. Let's take a look around. Come with us. Here are 5 of the smallest travel trailers I found at this RV show since I am team small camper. Coachman fit a lot into this tiny space. Having a convertible dinette to bed space on the opposite side of the bathroom and kitchen from the main bed makes it feel like you have 2 separate bedrooms and provides more privacy for your guest. And this one even has a dry bath, but there's no bathroom sink. I like that you can fold this bed up out of the way and have a comfy couch, and there's access to the bed from each side, so you don't have to climb over your partner to get in and out of the bed. Jayco included counter dining and stools in this small camper. What a clever idea. Each bunk has its own power outlet, USB port, window, and mesh pouch mounted on the wall for storage. And this dry bath includes a sink.
Check it out. Yeah, go check it out.
This tiny 16-foot camper includes a little slide out and an outdoor griddle and a dry bath.